right. So if you successfully went through the process, your screen should look a little something like this, and saying a little celebration thing popper and saying wallet creation successful. You successfully protected your wallet. Now make sure you write those words down and store them away with a pen somewhere. Ain't nobody gonna get them. Got it. Your MetaMask install is complete. Okay, next. Your MetaMask install is complete. Okay, done. So for the people using it on a desktop, you can go pin this right here. If you go to the top, you see this little puzzle piece. Those are your plugins. You just pin it right there. And so then when you want to get in your wallet, it just pops up like this. You can just do it. This is how you interact with the blockchain right here. Okay. So as you can see, this is where your wallet, so you need to get started by adding some ETH to your wallet. And I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm not gonna do that with this one, but we'll do it in the next one. I'm just gonna go through this and show you. This is how you buy and sell. This is how you send, swap to a different token. You can bridge to different chains, and you can view your portfolio. Okay, so let's start by clicking on the portfolio. Go backwards. Right here. So we're going to have our first interaction if you're on the web. You're going to go connect to MetaMask, and then this is what happens anytime you interact with your wallet. Anytime you interact with your wallet, you're going to get a notification that asks you if you want to proceed. Connect with MetaMask. Select the accounts to use on this site. So this is a decentralized app that we're currently on. This is MetaMask Portfolio, as you can see right here. And this is a dashboard. It's a decentralized application, meaning it's connected to the blockchain. So in order to interact with the blockchain, you need a MetaMask wallet, and you need to give your wallet permission to interact with MetaMask. So it's saying which account, because you can have multiple accounts, right? Which account? We got this one. It's ending in A6D45. Remember I told you this one is, this is the last 5. And you got the beginning, so you know that that's your wallet address right there. And later you can get a ENS name, Ethereum name service tag with .eth, like mine's is rootc.eth. I have a couple others, but you can get this to say your name .eth or whatever tag you want .eth through Ethereum name service. All right, so then you want to go ahead and push next. See, they're selling only connect with sites you trust. Permissions. Do you want this site to do the following? See your address, account balance, activity, and suggest transactions to approve. Requested now for you. And you want to push confirm if you want to confirm. I'm just walking you through the process. Right? So then when you get here, this is your dashboard. You see there's 7 different networks. Ethereum, Linea, Optimism, Binance, BNB, and Polygon. Their native token is Matic. So we're on Ethereum mainnet right now. Ethereum mainnet, the native token is Ethereum. Okay? So that's the token that you're going to need to pay for gas. Remember, any transaction that you put forward, you're going to have to pay a gas fee to use the blockchain. And the Ethereum is the second most expensive next to the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so when it comes to gas, this number right here in your upper right hand corner next to your notifications and next to your icon for your portfolio and a search bar in between those, it tells you the gas. This is the gas price right now. All right. The gas is at 15 Gwei. That's how much gas is costing. So priority fee. And this is if you want it to be safe, average, or fast. You can speed up your transaction. So basically, every time we're going to go over all this stuff later, but every time you put forward a transaction on the blockchain, you have to pay a gas fee, and you're basically trying to be the first one to get your blocks approved to get your transaction to go through, so you can speed it up by bribing the people who validate the transactions by paying a higher gas fee. And it says very likely in less than 15 seconds. Okay, so base fee is 1180 Gwei. All right, so that's gas. You can buy tokens right here. When you're buying your crypto, made easy. It really is easy too. You just pick your country. We're in the United States. I'm in California. And you just put your debit card on there, and you can use PayPal if you don't want to use your debit card. I like to send my cash I like to use like my Venmo card, and I buy it with Cash App. And then from Cash App, I send it I'm not Cash App, Coinbase. From Coinbase, I send it to my wallet. Or sometimes I just buy straight from here. And you have to set all this up, go through the KYC, know your customer, as we mentioned before, because you're using the centralized banks. And they want to know what you're doing, so you have to let them know. And you also have to pay your taxes. Okay? So you have tokens, NFTs, DeFi, transactions, and spending caps. So you have all these sections right here inside your portfolio viewer for MetaMask. And they have other ones like Zapper, DBank. They got a bunch of them that you can use to view your portfolio. Some are better than others. You know what I mean? It's just really all about preference. So Move Crypto, you can buy, sell, swap, bridge, send, transfer, receive, or stake it. We'll go through all of this later. See down here they have some trending tokens that let you know in case you want to buy something. You see this 4.39%? Yeah, that's right. Got NFTs, dApps. These are different dApps that you can interact with. You see they give you all these different things. Aave is a protocol that allows users to borrow and lend from over 30 Ethereum-based assets. Alphabot, ApeCoin, Arweave. Arweave is a protocol where everyone can host their data without the fear of censorship. Okay, that's good for like NFTs and stuff. CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets. So see, it's a whole ecosystem. DeFi Llama, created by the anonymous Hexton Jimmy. DeFi Llama is one of the largest TVL aggregators. Let's get into some Flashbots. FriendTech. FriendTech is an innovative social platform that allows users to invest in and trade shares of other users' keys. That's what's going to say IPFS. See, it just goes on and on and on. They got games, different games and different things that you can do. This is just all on MetaMask right here. We're just exploring MetaMask on the web. On the phone, it's a little bit different. Look, they got Texas Hold'em, poker, all these different games and all this different stuff that you can do. This is a booming industry right now. Booming industry. And Nerdy Black Clubhouse, we here to walk you through all of this. That's what I'm here for. If you wanted to send crypto, let's go back for a minute. So let's explore this page. So you have your tokens, you have your NFTs, and you have your activity. So if you put forth a transaction, you send or receive something, it's always going to be right here in activity. But this is your wallet address right here. See it? There it is again, A6D45. Number 45, right? You can copy that and you can send it to somebody else, and then they in turn can send you funds on Ethereum network, or you can add another network. Like, let me show you how to add networks. So these are the different networks that you already have. You just have Ethereum and Lea. You can show the test networks if you want. Test networks are for developers if you want to test something out before deploying it on the main network, because remember, nothing on the blockchain can ever be redone. It's all immutable. So before you go doing something, you have to test it out to make sure everything works right before you deploy it to the mainnet. In the mainnet, you have to use real funds, whereas the testnet, you can use test funds. But then they have these other networks too, like Arbitrum, Avalanche, Binance, Base. This is a Coinbase mainnet. I like Base. I like Optimism. Polygon is cool. ZK Sync. All right. And then they have other ones. But this is how, if you wanted to add a network manually, like if you wanted to add Flashbots, you would come and add it here at the RPC and everything, so that you can not get front ran, you know. So that's how you change your networks right here. You just go to the top. On your phone, it's the same thing. You just go to network. Let's say you had different accounts. You can add another account. You can add your hardware wallet to this right here so that you can select it to interact with the DeFi. You just go in here and then you would select a different account, and then you would be interacting with that account when you go to different dApps, decentralized applications. Okay. And then this is, you have notifications. That's an account will probably tell you like if you're receiving something. Account details, you can view on Explorer, permissions, snap, support, settings, and you can lock your MetaMask. I don't recommend doing that. I've never done that before. I don't know what that does. I don't mess around with that. So yeah, that's pretty much the rundown of the wallet. Now that we got ourselves a wallet, we can get into some juicy stuff on the next time. So I completely walked you guys through what DeFi is, what a blockchain is, what DeFi is, what the difference between centralized and decentralized finance. We went over wallets and why they're important, different use cases for wallets, different kinds of wallets. And then we got you a wallet, stored our private keys, and went through the wallet together to kind of get comfortable with all the features. Next step is hop in and buy some crypto. That's the next step. You know that, right? That's what we're doing next. So get prepared, because we're going to be using that address right there, and we're going to be buying some crypto or sending some crypto to our wallet, and we're going to be interacting with the blockchain on the next video. All right, y'all with me? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready to learn how to interact with the blockchain? Are y'all ready? I hope you're ready. I got some special stuff for you. All right, next time. I'm out.